Want to boost your stamina, build strength, and get fit fast without going to the gym? Here are the top 3 exercises that can help increase your stamina and energy levels, anytime, anywhere. Number 1, push-ups. Push-ups are one of the best exercises for building upper body strength and boosting stamina. They train your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once. Start with 10 reps and keep your body straight while moving slowly. Doing push-ups daily helps improve endurance and keeps your body powerful. Number 2, plank. Planks are amazing for strengthening your core and increasing stamina. Hold your body straight on your elbows and toes. Start with 20 to 30 seconds and slowly increase your timing. This exercise improves balance, posture, and overall body endurance. Number 3, squats. Squats are perfect for stronger legs and better stamina. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower your body like sitting on a chair. Start with 15 reps. Squats improve lower body power, energy, and help you stay active for longer. If you do these 3 exercises for just 10 minutes every day, you'll feel stronger, more energetic, and your stamina will improve fast. Like, share, and follow for more fitness content.